We made this sea bass ceviche as a quick little snack with only about half a pound of fish, but we will share a full recipe for 1 pound. It's bright, citrusy, a little spicy, super refreshing, and inspired by Latin American ceviche, especially Peruvian-style coastal flavors. First, remove the skin from your sea bass fillet. Then cut the fish into small, even, bite-sized cubes. Keeping the pieces uniform helps the lime juice cook the fish evenly. Don't throw away that skin, pat it dry, rub on a little oil, then pop it in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Comes out delicious, crispy, and perfect for snacking. Transfer all your cubed fish into a mixing bowl. If this made you hungry, please subscribe or follow. Your support keeps us cooking and sharing more recipes like this. Now juice about 5 limes and pour the juice over the fish until it's fully submerged. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 1 hour so the citrus can cook the fish through. After the fish has turned opaque, add your mix-ins. Some minced garlic, 1 thinly sliced jalapeno, about 1/8 of a minced red onion, 1/4 diced cucumber, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Thoroughly mix everything together, making sure every piece of fish is coated. Don't forget that pepper. It helps bring all those garlicky, herby, citrusy, and spicy flavors together in every bite. This ceviche is tangy, savory, and incredibly refreshing, with a nice kick from the jalapeno and crunch from the cucumber. Scoop it up with tortilla chips, serve it chilled, and bring it to your next potluck. Try this dish today.
Please hit the subscribe button below.